This is the wireless doorbell camera. Here we're going to go through undoing the security screw at the bottom of the doorbell. Then we'll look at the setup of the doorbell itself all the way through. Then we'll look at adding another user to the doorbell app. So here I've taken my doorbell off of the back plate, which immediately sounds an alarm. There's different variations of this doorbell, so I've heard some people there's no alarm, and some people with 2 batteries, some people with 3 batteries. So there are different doorbells, all very similar to this one. So you can have main power, which is wires up to the back plate, or you can use rechargeable batteries. I actually keep the rechargeable batteries in my doorbell in case it's removed and the alarm will go off, but I also use main power on the back plate, so you don't need batteries if you have main power. They're the 18650 batteries that come in different mAh. Now we'll have a look at the SD card, the micro SD card in the doorbell itself. Here's a chart to explain all the numbers that come on an SD card, so you know what they actually mean and what they're for. And this is the one I use, and I've checked the footage on it before and it's perfectly fine. That being said, check out my channel and see the SD card footage, external power being added to your doorbell, all the settings you get within your app as well as on your phone, and other wireless cameras. So when you get your doorbell, add batteries or add a micro USB cable and hold down the reset button for a few seconds. The camera is now ready to begin pairing and you'll see a blue flashing light on the front. Download the XSHCam app onto your phone, click add device and set up device. Here it'll ask you if there's a blue flashing light, press yes. This is when you'll select your Wi-Fi router that you have at home. Type in the Wi-Fi password. Here the doorbell will play a high-pitched sound. This is for the doorbell app to connect to the doorbell. If you can't hear it, turn the volume up on the side of your phone. This will pair the doorbell up with the information you've typed into the app. And it's paired. Click on view. Here you just select if it's front door, back door, whatever, it doesn't really matter which one you pick here. Then enter a password that you want, fill that in twice. Then it'll ask if it's Chinese or non-Chinese. I click non-Chinese. Click finish. Then you can click on the image itself and it will load up the camera. So the doorbell camera is now displaying on the app on my phone. The doorbell is connected to my Wi-Fi router and I can connect to this camera either through my own Wi-Fi at home, or if I'm out and about I use the 4G connection on my phone, or if I connect to another Wi-Fi. These doorbell cameras are priced around £40. Check in the description what it comes with, because some will come with batteries, some won't, some will come with a chime and some won't, and some even include an SD card. So just check in the description what's actually included. To set up a second person, click on the settings cog, then share QR code. This QR code has all your doorbell information, which will then grab a second phone and scan this code, which will then be able to connect directly straight onto that same doorbell. On the second phone, go add device, then scan QR code. Now you want to scan that QR code with the second phone. Here you have the device and password already entered into your phone. Click finish. Device exists, override, say OK. Now the second phone is also connected to that doorbell. In the top right you'll see a 1 or a 2 that shows how many people are connected to your doorbell, whether it's 1 user or 2 user. Here I move the camera around to show that both cameras are showing the doorbell at the same time. In the top right you can see the Wi-Fi signal, the battery and the users. The bottom cog in the time zone with the highlighted orange shows what's recorded. Now we're going to place the doorbell back on the back plate. As I said, I've connected mains power. Simply slide the doorbell onto the back plate. Now screw in the security screw at the bottom of the doorbell with a small Allen key. Press the doorbell to check it works. You will receive notifications sent to your phone once the doorbell is pressed. Look into the settings and see how you have everything set up. Check out my other videos for more, and thanks for watching.